For this target, number 6, this is Venn diagrams continued, and basically what the focus is on this one is being able to handle these symbols. These symbols are intersection and union is what they're mathematically called. This one right here is intersection, where do two things overlap. This one is union, U. So this word right here is intersection. Where do they intersect? What do they have in common? This one, the word is union. Union is putting things together, so you pour everything together and you get the union. Now these are associated with also with the words and. This is associated with the word or. I like to think of them as cap and cup. Before I show you that though, so if I draw this symbol, I can make that into the word and. If I draw this symbol, I cannot make that into the word and. So this one is not the and, this one has to be. So that's one easy way to remember that also, is that the symbol almost becomes the word. Another trick to remembering this besides that would be to use the idea of cap and cup, as I like to call it. This to me looks like a cap, because if I go like this and I put a little brim on it, now it's a baseball cap. And if I take a baseball cap off my head and throw it, it'll only cover a certain amount of space. Whereas a cup is what this looks like, because if I go like this, it looks like a cup. And you pour things into the cup. You pour everything in. So in an or question, you just pour everything in. A cap only covers certain things, like somebody's head. So here's a head right here, and that's all it covers. So that's something to think about. Cap covers a little bit. Cup, you pour everything in. Cap and cup. So soccer, intersection, tennis. So if I go over here, soccer, intersect, tennis, where do they overlap? Well, soccer and tennis would be these three people right there. So the correct answer for that then is 3. Soccer or tennis. So anyone who's in soccer or tennis, well, these are all the soccers, these are all the tennis. I don't want to double count those. So or is add them together and subtract the and, basically. Well, I could just do this. I could take all of these, which would give me the 31 there, and then I haven't counted these guys yet, so I'm going to take those 17 right there, or 20 plus 28 is 48. That's another way to do it, and you end up with 48 being the or. That's it. Cap and cup, intersection and union is their fancy math name. We think of them as being and or.